My name is Nyaradzai Mahachi and I am the Mellon Curatorial Fellow working under the African Art Department. Today I will be talking about Marion Palfi's To the Colored Waiting Room. Marion Palfi was a social documentary photographer born in 1907 in Berlin, Germany. She immigrated to the United States in 1940 at the onset of World War II. Whilst working in the United States, she produced numerous photographic essays documenting racism and discrimination. This image depicts a scene outside a colored waiting room. During the Jim Crow era, colored waiting rooms were put in place to separate white travelers from black travelers. This was a space designed for containment and racial separation. The focal point of this image is a young boy. He stands with his hands in his suit pocket and maintains a direct gaze at the camera. One thing that drew me to this image is how the boy is surrounded by adult figures. Like the boy, the man behind him maintains a direct gaze at the camera. The woman next to the boy stares back at the two men entering the scene, who are framed by a blown-out highlight that gives the impression of walking out of a void. Palfi was interested in populations in America that had been left out, especially the children, who had no power or ability to advocate for themselves. As a German immigrant, Palfi too understood the impact of racial segregation and discrimination. Overall, this image depicts two realities, one of segregation in America and another of an outsider in a forbidden space.